Hello everyone, let's start solving today's Leetcode daily challenge question. So the question is find the number of distinct colors among the balls. You are given an integer limit and 2D array queries of size n cross 2. There are limit plus 1 balls with distinct labels in the range 0 to limit. Initially all balls are uncolored. For every query in queries that is of form x comma y, you mark ball x with color y. After each query, you need to find the number of distinct colors among the balls. And you have to return an array result of length n, where result of I denotes the number of distinct colors after ith query. Okay, and note that when answering a query, lack of color will not be considered as a color. So if we see this example, limit is 4 and that means we have 4 balls. That means we have total 5 balls with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you can see limit plus 1 balls with distinct colors. Initially all are uncolored, and then for after each query we have to check how many distinct colors are there. Okay, so let's start. So if we see how many balls we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After query 1, after query 0, we will consider 0. What is, we have to color ball 1 with which color? With color 4. So we will color ball 1 with 4. So how many distinct colors are there? 4. I mean 1 with the color 4. So 1. Now after query 1, initially we know 1 is colored with 4. Ball 1 is colored with 4, and ball 2 is colored with 5. So how many total colors are there? 4 comma 5, which is 2. Again, after query 2, we know initially ball 1 is colored with 4, 2 is colored with 5. Again the query is color 1 to 3. Okay, so we already know it was colored as 4, but we have to change it to 3 now. Now how many are there? 3 comma 5, which is 2 distinct colors. Now query 3 is 3, 4. We know 1 colored with 3, 2 colored with 5, and 3 colored with 4. So how many total? 3, 4, 5 distinct. Okay, 3. So our answer is, here it should be 2 and here it should be 2. So our answer is 1, 2, 2 and 3. Here you can see 1, 2, 2 and 3. After each query we have to check, right? So if we see this example again, how many balls are there? 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and if after query 0 is color 0th ball with the color 1. So 0, 1. So how many total colors? Only 1 and 1. Now after query 1, we have to color first ball 1 to 2. So we have 0 colored with 1 and 1 colored with 2, and total is 1 comma 2 total colors, which is the 2 size. Now after query 2, we know 0 is colored with 1, 1 is colored with 2. Now this is 2 is colored with 2, 2 is colored with 2. How many distincts? 1 comma 2 only, because here you can see we have to return distinct colors. Okay. Yeah, so here we have 2. Again, after query 3, we have 0 colored with 1, 1 colored with 2, 2 colored with 2, and again 3 colored with 4. 3 colored with 4. So how many total distinct? 1, 2 and 4, which is 3. Now query 4. Okay, after query 4, you have to color 4 as a 5. So 0 is colored with 1, 1 is colored with 2, 2 is colored with 2, 3 is colored, third ball colored with 4, and fourth ball is colored with 5. So how many total are there? Is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Which is, wait, 1, 2, not 3, only 4. We don't have 4. Okay, so which is total 4. So our answer is 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Here you can see 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. So we have to solve this question, and you understood now the question. So what we need is we are going to make use of two maps. One map we will store, okay, we will store the color and its frequency, and for one map we are going to store, let's say we will use map 1, we will store color and its frequency, and map 2, we will store ball and its color. Okay, what we will be doing, if my map 1 contains that color which we are going to right now, let's say if you see this example, if my map 1 has this color, has this we can say color, or we can say has this ball, or doesn't matter. Okay, so we will say if this color is there, then we will increase the frequency to make it as a distinct, and if that ball is there, and what we will do is, for that ball we are going to just add this. Okay, so we will use one map 1 and map 2, color and its frequency. If that color we get, and if that color we get, let's say we have ball 1 already in our map, and again this one came. So what we will do, for this one we will get this value, and we will check with this color, and we will reduce its frequency, and if the frequency is 0, then what we are going to do, we are going to remove it. Okay, we will be removing this, so we will get the distinct colors. Okay, so what we will do, we are going to use two maps and one as a result. Int result is equal to new int, what will be the size, int n is equal to our queries dot length, and our size will be n, as we have to return this array after each query how many distinct colors are there. And we are going to use two map, one integer comma integer. Why we didn't use the set? Because we wanted distinct, but also there can be repetitive colors. But when we are removing that, that means, here you can see 4 and 3, we have same balls with to color 4 and 3. That time we have to remove 4, but there is a possibility that 2 is colored with 4, and if you remove one 4, it will be removed for all all. So that is why we are using the map. So map 1 is equal to new hash map, and map integer comma integer, map 2 is equal to new hash map 1 is for color and frequency, and map 2 we are going to use for ball and its color. Okay, now what we will do, for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and first leg int ball, which ball, queries of I and 0, and in color will be queries of I and first. Okay, now I will check if my map 2 dot contains key ball. If that ball is already there, what we are going to do, int previous color will be map to dot get ball. Then we will get a previous color. Then what we are going to do, we will check its frequency and reduce it by 1, and we will check if it is a 0, then we will remove it. Okay, so yeah, map 1 dot get what get this uh wait map 1 dot put with this color. Which color? This previous color, and its frequency should be removed. So for removing, map dot 1 dot get this previous color minus 1. We know it is there, so we don't have to check. Okay, because it is there, right? And we will check now if my map 1 dot get previous color if equal to 0, then we will remove map 1 dot remove previous color. Okay, so this is what if we have contains. If we have map to contains that ball, what we removed that color from this map if the occurrence is 0, because this the size we are going to assign is this only, map 1 dot size, so that we get distinct colors. Now what we will do is map to we can do map to dot put balls. So this ball and color, new ball and color, and in map 1 we will put that color comma map dot get or default this color comma 0 plus 1. Okay, means if it is there plus do plus 1, if it is not there it will return 0 plus 1, so 1. And at the end our what answer of this I, which will be equal to our this color dot size, and return answer. Okay, let's see what's the issue. Map, oh wait, here where we used, cannot find the symbol map 2. Okay, wait, here somewhere map 1. Let me run again. Map contains key. Oh, here contains key, it should be contains key, not contain. Let's run again. Answer, oh, we use result. Yeah, these are the just silly mistakes which happens in naming convention. Sometimes we use answer, sometimes we use result. So again, what's the issue? Here also result, and it's not color, it's map 1 dot size. As we want to return a distinct colors are stored in which map 1, and we have to return the size of that. Yeah, you can see. Now let's submit this code. So in this way we solved this using the map. Okay, so you can submit again. We use hash maps to consider. Okay, fine. This sometimes gives, I'm not sure why it is giving every time different, but fine. So in this way you can solve this question using hash maps. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Stay updated.